In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell the graph on Coinbase app. And if you're looking to start your crypto journey, we'll include links in the description below so you can easily check them out. To start, open the Coinbase app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see a section for crypto at the middle part of the screen. Tap on Crypto. Next, under Crypto, you will see an option for the graph. Tap on the graph. After that, on this screen, scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on the option that says Buy and Sell. On the pop-up tab, tap on Sell. Then on this screen, enter the amount of the graph you wish to sell. Once entered, tap on Review Order. Lastly, review the graph sale order. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, tap on Sell Now. That's how you sell the graph on Coinbase app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.